Good morning, students. So today we will be learning the fifth chapter of science, that is solids, liquids and gases. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to learn कि solid, liquid, gases क्या होते हैं. What are solid, liquid, gases? किन्हें solid, liquid, gases बोला जाता है और उनका change of form. What is the change of form? These forms, the solid, liquid and gases, how they transfer from one form to another. In this chapter we are going to learn this. Okay. And on the first page you can see that there is ice cube. Ice cubes, you already know that they are hard, so what it means, they are solid. And the second picture you can see liquid is there on a bowl, and what is getting from that? Water vapors. Water vapors are nothing but steam is nothing but gas. On the third picture you can see in a glass it is filled with water. On the fourth picture you can see there is liquid which is evaporating with the help of sun's heat. So what is happening? Liquid is getting converted to gas. Okay. Now see here, what are liquids? To which things we call we call solids. Solids क्या होते हैं बेटा? Solids are nothing but those things which are hard and they have a fixed shape and size. Like you can see the example also over here which has been given: pencil, pen, eraser. All these things, table, chair, your books, your school bags, all these things have a fixed shape. So those things which have fixed shape, they are called as solids. Now liquids are nothing but things which can flow, जो चीज़ें बह सकती है, ठीक है, फ्लो हो सकती है. These things are called as liquid, like milk, oil, any kind of beverage. Okay. Next, moving to the gases. Gases, we are surrounded by so many gases. Okay. In the surrounding, in our surrounding there are so much of gases, mixture of gases. Through that mixture of gases we inhale oxygen to live. Okay. Gases also do not have any shape, okay, any shape and size, but liquids do have. Liquids, they do not have their own shape, but they can take the shape of the container. Now change of form. In the change of form we can see how a solid can get converted to liquid and then liquid can get converted to gas. In the picture which is at the bottom of the page you can see, देखो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, solid cubes. Okay, ice cubes are given. On melting, when we keep the ice at room temperature, what happens? It gets melt, so ice gets converted to liquid, that is nothing but water. And then water, this water is heated on a gas stove. So what happens? So steam comes up from the gas, from that container. Okay, so this steam is nothing but gas. Again this gas, when we cover with a lid, ठीक है, जो टोप में पानी गर्म हो रहा है उसके ऊपर इफ़ यू कीप अ लिड, अगर आप लिड रखते हो तो वो जो स्टीम है दैट गेट्स कन्वर्टेड टू वॉट? लिक्विड. जैसे ही वो ठंडा होगा वो स्टीम क्या बन जाएगा? पानी बन जाएगा. इट विल गेट कन्वर्टेड टू लिक्विड. ओके, ऑन कूलिंग. देन अगेन दिस लिक्विड विच यू हैव कलेक्टेड एट द लिड, इफ़ you store in the refrigerator, what will happen? It will again get converted to solid. Okay, so understood everyone? This was the change of form which says how anything can get converted to liquid, can get converted to solid, and solid can get converted to liquid. Thank you everyone. I hope you have understood the chapter.